Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Pova 6 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find display and brightness. Now let's scroll down again to localize the screen timeout option, and here after tapping on it we've got the options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest option available in this device, which is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will black out after 5 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.